Okay, guys, good afternoon. So we are here in this long position. As you can see, market hit the second ATR, hit the first one, then hit the second one, and Nasdaq is trying to recoup from here. We've been in this trade like about 10 minutes. It's not moving, but still we see lots of buyers in the tape. Okay, so we see buyers in the tape here, 322. So we're gonna wait and see if the market can get to the target, not expecting too much as the market uh, barely moved, and when it moved so quickly that it was impossible to place a trade. So right now I see that market is really trying to push price higher, at least to the first ATR, to this one over here. And as soon as well, that's as soon as buyers still piling in, so we can still be in this trade. We're gonna wait and see if it works out. We got 40 minutes to the close. There we go. Yes, moving. Nasdaq trying to get the second ATR. There's a lot of traders that are gonna be, over here puking as they're short. They need to exit the trade in one way or another. We see 1,500 contracts long here in the Nasdaq. So we see 2,700 contracts long in the micro ES. So we expect these buyers to hold a little bit and continue longer here until the target gets filled. More buyers in the Nasdaq. Okay, 262 here. Well, it's a good target, guys. If you get this target, just exit the trade. It's good money. You see more
Long
buyers in the
signal
tape.
ES.
Okay, first target hit. Now it's a free trade. Okay, got the second profit target. Then we see a burp of buyers here in the tape. Today was no volume, guys. Very complicated to trade. So yeah, this low volume is for Cyber Monday, and everybody that bought closes on Friday. This was people are exchanging clothes and everything. Maybe some, you know, that's why there's a lot of traders not not engaging today. So, but tomorrow will be a more strong day. So we hope to see volatility tomorrow. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get it here. It's more than enough. Market is really not moving. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. If you're interested in the system, there's a link in the description of this video. You can contact me. I will be happy to send you information, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.